So I'm going to demonstrate the process of taking this sketch from the museum, working with the lino and producing a print like this, and talk you through translating these marks and the tools required into the marks on the lino. So before I actually start my lino, I'm just going to develop my sketch with one or two thoughts about background and how I can best bring out my bird. So I thought I would have some mountains, and then it'll be on a rock. I wanted to have the head because I've noticed that the edge of my eagle is fairly dark, so I thought I would just have some sky, some white sky with a few marks, and then I thought it might be quite nice to have some dark mountains so that my print has a range. It's going to have some white areas, some black areas, and within the white areas like this there's a few black marks, and I'll probably make sure that there are some white marks in the black areas of mountain, and I'm doing that with charcoal because this will be easy to change if I decide this is not a good idea. And then something for, is it a nest? The other thing that I've learnt from looking at some of these examples that I've sent you, one of the puffin has a sort of white watery background, which is very much helped by a dark frame. So I'm going to include that in my planning. So I've taped my piece of lino to the board, and the first thing I'm going to do is copy out my design or the main elements of it. So I'll try and do that quickly for you. So I'm starting with the thinnest blade, I think it's number 1, and I'm going to use this just to do all of the outlines. So I'm going to do the sky first because that's basically going to be white with a few black lines through it, and for that, because I want to lift out loads of lino, I've got this blade. I'm not sure what number it is. It's rounded, and it's quite big, so that might save me some time. So my eagle has a mainly white belly with these markings and also the legs, and I really don't want to lose those markings, so I've gone back to the thinnest tool. I'm going to outline all these markings. I'm also going to do another line down here because there's places where this white belly is against the sky, and I'd like it to stand out with what will be a black line. So I'll go back to the same bigger blade now to take out the white bits. So the head and the back are basically dark black with lots of thin contour lines. So I'm back to the thin one, and I'll do lots of lines. So lastly, for the wing feathers and for the straw in the nest, this is a sort of medium-sized, I won't focus on it, a medium-sized tool. I'm going to scoop out some larger pieces. So just actually inking up the lino reveals quite a lot, and this doesn't have to be the point at which you stop. You know, you can wash off the ink and carry on with the tools. So there's something about that head that probably could be tidied up. But I'll print it anyway, and I hope that's shown you a good range of marks and the tools that will make them.